Stirring of the heart, felt the love I gave no longer starts to bloom with you in mind. Wanna learn to find with you a way to hold, not lose. If I open up my heart this way, intertwine, maybe I'll make a change. This can only mean one thing, that my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you, only for you, only for you. It's only for you, it's only for you, only for you, it's only for you, only for you. Kinda funny, crazy madness that keeps me up at night. Just thinking of you makes me nervous, like there's only you and I. You're the clarity I find when the clouds fill up the sky. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. If you liked all of the things you saw, we do have a full slow dance course on our website, including all the things here, plus much more. We do have a basic slow dance video, a couple of them already up, so this is kind of the updated course version. So it includes 4 new moves, a little bit more advanced. There was a lot of demand for some more slow dance moves, so we delivered. So go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna link it down below. We do have a 20% off coupon for you, so you can check that out in the link below. And be sure to just check out the rest of our website, ballroomfood.com. We have tons of stuff up there. Be sure to like this video, comment what you wanna see next, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
It's only